Hi everybody, this is Todd Coppernall at Vetesnik Power Sports in Richland Center, Wisconsin. I'm standing in front of a 2024 Kawasaki Ridge HVAC. This is the last one of this model that we'll have in stock for this year. So we put some extra accessories on it. I'd like to show you what we did. You can see from the front, we added the plow kit. So here's obviously the blade, the winch that you'll need right here. This is a 4,500 pound worn winch synthetic rope. Okay, easy release. You can see the lift to release lever. Easy on, easy off plow. You don't have to crawl underneath and grab for pins. You just do everything from out front. We've got the blade, the frame, the mount, the winch that you need right up front. And what we did is we added an actuator. And we've got an in-dash switch so you can stay right inside the heated cab and change the direction of the blade without getting out. No more hopping out and grabbing the handle. Turn your heat on, get to the end of the driveway and hit a switch inside. I'll show you. All right, I'm gonna get in here. I won't start it, but if I did, just fire it up, turn the heat on right up here in my HVAC controls. And right down here, we added, this is the actuator control to change the angle of that plow blade. This is your winch in-dash switch to run the winch in and out, which would raise and lower the plow blade. And we added a turn signal kit. These are hazard lights, horn, and my turn signal switch is on the other side of the steering column. And that all comes, those three things, signal lights, hazard lights, and horn, are one kit that we installed. And we did the plow accessories with the winch and the actuator. What I'm going to do is raise that blade a little bit. Side like that, or like this to go the other. Actually bought one of these myself back in July. It's been a wonderful machine. Any questions, call me and I'll explain all of that. But wanted you to see this one, set up the plow with the actuator so you can change the plow angle from inside. The in-dash control for your winch. There's also a remote for the winch, wrong spot. Remote for the winch right here. You can run that window down. It's a power window. Run that cord right through there. Stand outside. See how much winch you're letting in and out with a remote, or work it in-dash. Turn signal kit with hazard lights and a horn. This one's ready to go. It came from the factory with the wiper, with the fluid. It's a full blade like a car. The power windows, the heat, the air conditioning, the LED dome light, headlights and tail light. 3-year factory warranty, really comfortable. Bench seat, excellent cup holders that'll hold those tall tumblers my wife drinks out of. They get wider as you go. I've got 2 more cup holders tucked in here. And when this is down, sometimes when the weather's warm enough to need a light jacket, not a coat, I stick a jacket behind this seat. There's a little space right there that I tuck my jacket in. Don't hide your Snickers bar back there. You get a little bit of engine heat in that space back there. But for something like a jacket, that was kind of nice too. And then when I'm done, I just push this up and we're all done. I'll show you where some of the different filters are and things that you need to access. This part of the seat will lift up. If you have something tall that you're hauling, put it here. Right here is a hidden little gem. It's a vent. Now, why would they do that? Well, it's not for heating and cooling. It enables the doors to close a little bit tighter by allowing that air in through that vent to make the cab, I'm not going to use the term airtight, but closer to it. That was really smart on Kawasaki's part. Under this cover here is your air filter. Under here, behind this panel right here, is a cabin filter. Right behind this, it comes off. And your battery's actually behind this. This will come off, and from the side on the outside, there's a little panel that'll come off if you ever needed to just charge the battery or jump start it. You can do that through that panel, but to get the battery out, you need to remove the one inside as well. There's your battery right there. All easy access. Yeah. Right over here, if I hit this one, I get the hazard lights.